Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Melita Fonseca, and this is my Unit 3 presentation, Name and Define All 6 Principles of Design. The first one is focal point or emphasis. Focal point or emphasis is trying to capture the viewer's attention and control the way their eyes move across the page. The focal point is the center of attention in the design or layout. Try to have only one focal point per page. If you have two or more focal points, it's as if you didn't have any. The focal point should be the most eye-catching piece of visual information. Contrast. Contrast is having two different things in close proximity to each other. You can create contrast with negative and positive space. Different colored lines can also create contrast. Using a pattern against a non-pattern will create contrast. Color and value also offer contrast tools. Using both dark and light values or colors results in contrast. You need contrast to make your design pop. In this photo, we have the red flowers that are in contrast to the background that's a lot muted. Balance. To achieve balance, each side of the board must carry equal weight. There are three kinds of visual balance: radial, symmetrical, and asymmetrical. Radial balance refers to circular designs in which the most important information lies in the center. Radial designs are often associated with spiritual meaning. Symmetrical balance. To achieve symmetrical balance, each side of the bisected design must be a mirror image of the other in terms of visual weight. This is called formal balance. Formal balance is more traditional and conservative. Asymmetrical balance is when two sides are unequal. This tends to be more visually exciting. Movement. Movement in design controls the eye's flow through the composition. The flow of the lines can move the eyes across the page. Horizontal lines communicate movement flowing left to right or right to left. Vertical lines communicate up and down. Movement and flow is when you move the eye across the layout in order to convey information as well as to evoke emotion. And here you have an advertisement that has the Reynolds, and then your eye just goes to the red shoe, and then across down to the bottom to the blue shoe, across the colors to all the shoe. So that's movement. Rhythm, pattern. Rhythm or pattern may create a sort of movement we call rhythm. Repeating a symbol throughout the design may create a kind of rhythm. Repeated colors can also create rhythm. The result is a sense of togetherness for the layout that helps lead the eye from one thing to another. And here we have a perfect example where they use color and shape to bring about rhythm and pattern. They all go together. They look like they go together. And finally, unity. Unity means that all parts of the design work together. A layout is visually unified if its different parts have different linked relationships to one another. Unity also refers to oneness, that the result is one cohesive design or visual message. And here you have unity. And I think what unifies every single page here is the yellow and the dark blue or dark or black. You have it in every page. So it makes this web page work together. It looks like it belongs together. This has been my presentation. Thank you for your time.